Hello everybody, welcome to If I Can Do It, You Can Do It. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a homemade do-it-yourself firewood rack. Now this rack is going to take you less than 5 minutes to assemble, and it requires absolutely no tools. So if you don't have tools, don't even worry about it. This is just put together and get ready to use it. You're only going to need a few items to build this. And this thing's going to last you for a very long time. And it is extremely durable. Let's go. For this project, I used two 8-foot 2x4 weather shield boards, $8.67 a pop. And two of those suckers cost me a total of $17.34. Then I needed 4 1x4s, 4 feet each at $3.17 a pop. That cost me $12.68. Then I needed 3 cinder blocks. These are 8x8x16. And these suckers cost under $2, which the actual price at the store was $197. And that times 3 is $591. And that's for a grand total of $35.93. I mean, under $40, you can't beat that. That is a beautiful thing. Now that you have your materials home, you want to find a nice level area where you want to where you want your wood rack to reside at. So that's where I put mine at. It's nice and level. But this is all you gotta do. Take your 1x4s, stick them into the hole, just like that. So unfortunately, I couldn't fit the 8 feet 2x4s into my car, so I had to cut them in half. So these are the 8-footers I bought, but again, I sliced them in half. Had the store cut them for me to 4 feet each. So now I have 4-footers, 2x4s. So I'm just gonna stack them like that. So the end of that is flush against the 1x4, and then you see the middle. Just leave a room for the other part of the 4x4s. Or the 2x4s, I'm sorry. Stick the 1x4s inside of these holes like that. Done. Then I want to add my other 2x4s. My other 4 feet 2x4s. Just like that. No camera tricks. This is all real time. Now pull these in, lock them in, make sure those 4x4s are flush to the 1x4s. And my friends, we're done. I didn't drill anything. I didn't hammer anything. We just put together. That wood's going to go there. We just put those pieces together. And that is it. That's it. That's your wood rack. Now, at this point, start adding wood to it. It's as simple as that. I swear to God, it probably took us less than 2 minutes. And I did that in real time. I slowed this down a little bit, but putting the rack together was in real time. And for you amateurs like myself, who never really stacked wood, this is my 3rd time doing this. Right here, right now that we're doing this. You have the wood rack in the back that I did. That's time number 2, which I did yesterday. And then I stacked some wood on that metal wood rack that you see in the back of this guy somewhere. I don't know if the camera pans out to it. But that came out horrible. That rack just sucks, which is why I'm doing this rack right here. Like I said, there's a million videos out there for this, so that's why I learned how to do it. So I figured I'll try it. And I really, really, really like it. But as far as stacking your wood, just stack it like there's no rhyme or reason to it. It's very simple. Just fit these pieces together like a jigsaw puzzle. They're all oddly shaped. Some are longer, some are just pure square, but you'll figure it out. But what I wanted to do is how I did the other one is I stacked some on the side first. just to make sure the wood doesn't move on me. So put some weight down there, and then I move to the other side. Start adding some wood pieces here. Like I said, just put it together like a jigsaw puzzle. When you first start putting this wood onto your wood rack, and you're looking at the pile of wood that you have, it's going to be a little bit intimidating. Like, wow, this is a lot of work. But I tell you, once you get going, you're going to be in a zone. Now, just have some brew, have some beets, and do what you got to do. But I tell you, when I was stacking this up, it was cold as hell outside. But I don't know. You're going to be warm, freaking squatting, picking. That's all you're going to be doing. You're going to warm up quick. Just make sure you got some nice gloves so you don't get any splinters. And just go to work. This wood is green as hell. What I mean by that is it's freshly cut. It's not ready to burn. I can't burn it this season. It should be ready to burn by the fall for like my fire pits, but it will really be ready for next winter. So this is the wood pile that I had to work with prior to making this video with you guys. So we built the rack in like 2 seconds. Then we took half of this wood and put it there. Took us hours though. I did this yesterday, a lot of hours. And I did this today, lots of hours. But as you can see, this looks good. And yes, it is time consuming. And yes, it is cold as hell out here. But I gotta be real with you, I'm not even cold anymore. 5 beers in. It looks good. Great job, guys. But with that being said, I am the amateur's amateur. This is If I Can Do It, You Can Do It. I hope this video was informative, and thank you very, very much for viewing.